Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, we're trying to get this garbage straightened out. We're putting the big radiator back in. I've already kind of put together a pretty nice little bracket deal, and then we gotta change the starter, which normally wouldn't be a big deal, but one of the bolts has a stud on it, and that stud is like touching the oil pan. I'm gotta take a closer look. I noticed it when I put the oil pan in. I was like, oh crap, maybe I should. Nah, it'll be fine. Well, it's not fine. Now I gotta do something about it. So anyway, like I said, working on the radiator thing, pretty much got it all kind of figured out. And I got to put the fan on it, and I have to wire the fan up and all this kind of stuff, but pretty close. Anyway, let me get to work. See you in the next clip. Got our rad in. Just cut the end of that bolt off. The thread is off, so we can get it out. So get the starter out. It's a little tight fit, but it's ain't our first rodeo on this deal. SN95 headers for the win. Headers got to come off to get the starter out. Yay, McNugget. All right, we made enough progress to see that we can get the starter out. So Teresa's on her way home. So that means it's dinner time, and we'll try and finish this up tomorrow afternoon. But whew, this is what a good time looks like. It is the next day. We're back out here to shop. It is hotter than, well, it ain't even really hot yet, to be honest, for Florida, but it's pretty hot. We got a letter in the mail from Mikey Mac. He's a long-time subscriber. Got a really nice Torino, and it's he's an 8.2 guy. It's pretty fast. I mean, it is fast. I shouldn't say pretty fast. He's also a stick jockey, so he sent us something. It's a sticker. Stickers. Welcome to New England. Oh wow, these are really nice. New England dragway stickers. If you guys can see these, established 1966. Those are very cool. Thanks, Mikey. Appreciate that, man. We'll put that on our cabinet. At some point, we'll probably start taking stickers off that are just stickers to put the meaningful stickers on. That's very cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Look at that. Hand written stickers. So, all right, man, I appreciate it. Now we've got the unenviable task of finish working on this. So I guess I better get to it. New starter. Works. I'm doing this one-handed, so works. Old starter. No work. Blah. We got the starter bolted in, and now we're getting all the header bolts in and get all that tightened up, and then we can try and start it up. See where we're at. Then put some water in this thing. All right, test fire. Good old pressure. That was a total cold start, obviously. So, whew, dodged a bullet. So, tough little 302s. 8.2 tough. All right, we need to pull them out, fill them up with some water, and burp them.
it did all right. We clutch feels like it'll work. Didn't overheat. I did have a small problem when I said, hey, let's go on a test drive. Before we actually went on a test drive, I had to put a relay on the fan. It's just too much amperage, and it damaged the wire. It damaged one of the switches, the switch panel. Fortunately, I have extras, so I just moved it over, put a relay on it. Boom, it's good to go now. So I didn't think it drew that much amperage, but I guess it does. So anyway, I think we got that all sorted out, and like I say, test drive went pretty good. So I think we're going to try and go up tonight. And what it is if it doesn't rain, it's, you know, it's Florida. If you don't live in Florida, the thunderstorm stuff, it could be fine all day, and then just in the afternoon, the humidity and everything hits up, and boom, you get a big thunderstorm. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But if it doesn't, me and Pirate are going to go. And probably won't get a ton of passes. I mean, I don't really know because I haven't went up on a bracket. It's a bracket night. They run bracket races. That's something the track's been starting to do to appease some of the bracket racers, where they bracket race on Friday nights. So that's what we're going to do, go up there and try and get in between rounds and stuff like that. They said we could, so we'll pay our normal TNT entry fee. And then there's also a TNT Sunday. And I don't know who else coming to that. Maybe Eric. I mean, me and Pirate if I don't break it. And so anyway. So I guess that's it. Wish me luck for tonight. And we're a new K member. We added some more weight, put the radiator back in. So whatever. I just want to make some passes. I just like to have a good night, or a night where there's no drama, no problems. Just make some passes. I don't even care if they're fast, just whatever. I don't care if they're personal best. In this weather, it's going to be hard to outrun that 685. That's a fact. But you're never going to outrun it if you don't try. So anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Thanks again, Mikey Mac, for the New England Dragway sticker. It is right here next to Scobie Transmissions, the awesome Hot Rod Barn that Derek sent me. We got this NMRA one here. Got some awesome stickers. So thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to, probably wouldn't do it without you. So especially, thanks for watching. And until next time, what's up, say later, Flex Body videos on this here man's YouTube and women. Your only link is for drag vans. And as always, fight the good fight against Dr. Fear. See you guys in the next video, which hopefully will be a TNT.